my god. I just feel like this matches the picture that I found like amazingly. I'm like so freaking gagged. Like, the boy is mine. I can't wait to try. The boy is mine. Hi guys, today we are doing the next part of my Office Siren series. We're going to be talking about the Y2K 90s, Y2K 90s Office Siren, but we're going to be talking about makeup. These are the must-have items for an Office Siren, a 90s Y2K Office Siren. Okay, so let's talk about the structure of this video today. We are going to be talking about the most important characteristics of the Office Siren in terms of their makeup. I'm going to be breaking that down for you and then recommending products for each section of that. Okay, and my recommendation knowledge is coming from the fact that I work at Ulta now and I'm learning so much. Okay, let's get started! The boy is mine! I know I did that. Ugh, why can't I be fucking normal? The three main themes that I've seen in like Office Siren eyes is the first look, which is this stunning grungy smoky eye that usually involves some type of cool toned gray, cool toned blue, black, maybe even a deep dark brown color. The second type of look is this kind of like bare eye look with usually a coal black liner in your waterline, which
smoky perfection. Love it.
The third look that I've seen is like a warm toned eye look that's more about browns and like red. Very muted browns, very muted reds. So those are the three looks that I've seen for the Office Siren eye. So for that very first look of that smoky grungy eye, in terms of higher end makeup, which by the way, I am dividing this video into two parts of higher end makeup and drugstore makeup. I feel like to get that Y2K 90s look, you really need cool toned palettes and cool tone colors. And so my favorite palette that I found was this Makeup by Mario palette, this neutrals palette. I think it's like a duo of palettes, right? But the one that I'm talking about is the neutrals palette that is cool tone. And it's like a 90s neutrals and it's supposed to be a creamy, medium but buildable formula. And I really, really liked this palette when I swatched it in Sephora. And I think that the color tones just like, you know what I'm saying? Like they just...
What I'm saying? Oh, wait, oh.
That was really loud. I didn't mean to make that noise. Sorry about that. And so I just feel like these shades are perfect. And it literally says on the website that it's a modern take on 90s neutrals. Each shade strikes the perfect balance between warm and cool to create timeless looks. What, baby? What? Baby, why don't you go lay down? Baddies take naps. If you don't want to do Makeup by Mario, because I know this shit is expensive. How much was that palette? Let me look. I'm on my computer right now. I'm looking. It's, ooh. So she's $50. So another recommendation for this is going to be the Urban Decay. The Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette. I think this palette hits every shade that you could possibly need. Naked 2, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. But like, Naked palette is royalty, essentially. This is a shadow and a product that you can trust. It's been around for a very long time because it works. It's okay. Oh, I sound like Waluigi. Waluigi. Oh, wait, if you're new here, hi, I'm Pam. I make content all about the aesthetics, everything from outfit ideas to style guides to reviewing actual aesthetic products, overhyped makeup products that will be coming soon. Moving on, if you wanted to create the same exact look but you wanted to not spend $35 or $50, try Morphe. Morphe has a fantastic palette. It's called the Morphe 18 Count Matte Essentials Artistry Palette. I have a ton of palettes by Morphe and I love their shadows. Let's go on to talk about Kohl liner with a bare eye. And so I'm going to be real with you. I don't think you need to go and buy like a high-end liner to do this 90s Y2K Office Siren look. I really think you could just go to the fucking local CVS and pick up a Wet n Wild Kohl pencil.
But you know, if you want to spend money, that's cool.
I use the Sephora eye pencil and it works fine, you know? The only thing with it is it definitely does transfer. It's not smudge proof at all. Like I put the shit in my waterline and it will move. But that's the vibe. I used to use the Marc Jacobs one before they decided to go out of business. Very fucking rude of them, by the way. Moving on to the next look. If you wanted to do this warm tone look, I think there are a million palettes you could choose from to do this. The look that I did today, if you can even see, it's not really an eyeshadow look. This Charlotte Tilbury quad right here. Now, let's talk about it because I said some shit. I talked my shit about this palette because I freaking broke it. I dropped it and this whole pan came out. It broke apart into my entire makeup bag and I was just like, and so I hated this palette for a while and I just never used the shade. I just started using it and I have never gotten more like compliments ever. Like, it's actually stupid. Office Siren, but make it warm toned. This is in the shade Pillow Talk Dreams. This is their luxury palette.
They're not cheap, I'm not gonna lie.
But the shadow is actually such great quality. If you just don't fucking
drop it on the floor and shatter it into pieces, it's great and it worked great and I will be
repurchasing this. Oh my god, let's talk about lips. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's just get right into it. So, the two main looks that I found in the lips for Office Siren aesthetic is this like dark lip liner and then paired with like a nudie pink or this stunning like nude lip liner with a nude lipstick. And then a few outliers with like a plain red lipstick or a berry lipstick. Lip liners, ladies. So, that nude color, it's hard to find. This is the photo I'm talking about. Specifically, this photo haunted me in my fucking dreams. I had to find the perfect shade for this, and I feel like I fucking died. I died. Ta-da! Look, guys, I'm pretty sure I found the perfect shade. So this is Stone by MAC, and it's this perfect muted grayish taupe brown. And this is actually, this picture right here on the right is an example of Stone. So I'm like 1000% sure this is it. So Stone is more of a cool toned color, and that could work for both lighter skins and darker toned skins. I don't really like Stone all that much. I think it can make you look kind of dead. For people that are more my complexion and skin tone, using a deep dark chestnut by MAC is gonna just be, it's gonna eat, baby. Woo! Perfect one for people that I think have lighter skin tones. It's called Strip Down by MAC. This is a swatch. Oh my god. I just feel like this matches the picture that I found like amazingly. I'm like so freaking gagged. Like for the lip shade, so you can do MAC Impulsive or Kylie Cosmetics Not Sorry. Those are the two lippies that I would recommend, or just a good lip gloss or a good lip balm. I use my trusty Glossier. Excuse me. Sorry, that was disgusting. I use the mangobalm.com. If you're interested in Sachu lip liners, they have a lip liner that's like a lip stain. That lip liner is fantastic for like doing that lip liner and then just a balm or like a lip gloss on top. So for berry reds or reds, anything MAC lipsticks I think are amazing. I love MAC lipsticks. I also recommend Lancome. The La Rouge lipsticks are beautiful classic reds if that's what you're interested in. Now we're gonna talk about the brows, okay? You want that thin 90s, Y2K, early 2000s brow, baby. And the only way that you're really gonna achieve that is by shaving your brows or covering them in concealer. I'm not gonna do either. No, fuck that. I tried to make them thin today. It is what it is. Oi, mate!
Oi, these chill on your block smoke weed. I'm about Opsy, don't even have. When they said OJ Nicki, I thought they was talking about Nicki Minaj. I typed your name into Google. The only thing that came up was Nicki Minaj.
I think that you should use either a brow pomade or like a brow pencil or even like a brow definer pencil to get that like Y2K arch, you know what I'm saying? These are the pictures that I found as like inspiration for this, and I would recommend two different brands when it comes to brow products. I recommend Benefit, and I also recommend Anastasia Beverly Hills. Benefit has a really great pencil that I think is fantastic. It's like my favorite formula because it's creamier than most other pencils. I feel like they're way too hard, and I have really sensitive brow hairs and I don't have a lot of it, and so if I have a really hard thing, like a really hard pencil, it's going to take off my brow hairs, which is really pathetic and sad. Like, you need to fight harder. But anyway, that or the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomades are fantastic. I have used pots and pots of that pomade and I love it. It's too much for me. Nowadays, I just use eyeshadow. Today's video is not about me. It's about achieving this aesthetic, okay? It is about diving into the Office Siren aesthetic and achieving this look. And the best way to do that is, I think, to use a pomade or a pencil. Ooh, if you've made it this far into the video, please comment this emoji. Y'all know this is my favorite emoji. I love that emoji. I use it every day. Let's talk about the second to last most important thing. Here I am again. Here I am again. Here I am again, threatening to fight. Contour! Oh my god, I just did this and this. I'm not violent. Like, I have ribbons. I wear ribbons and I have slime. And nobody who has slime is violent. Do you guys want to see my slime really quick? Wait, look at my slime. Homemade apple sorbet slime. Oh my god, I really like slime. I know that that's childish. A lot of people think I'm extremely childish, and you know, that's your opinion of me, but I like slime. Look at that. That's so fucking cute. I love that. By the way, I got a comment the other day, and I think it was an Olivia Rodrigo video or something that I did. Essentially, he's like,
I'm not sure if this is for me, but I'm still gonna try to take inspiration.
and I'm like, dude, if you're a guy and you're watching,
I don't care if you're a guy and you're watching me.
I'm not sexist. What the fuck? Like, do I seem sexist? I'll definitely say I gear my content to the girlies. I like to be girly. I like to have nails. I like to be girly. But like, it's really not that serious. And if you like to watch this shit and you're a guy, how many streams of XQC I've watched? Do you know how many streams? Do you know that I have called myself a juicer to people in real fucking life? It's fine. You're okay. To the ladies who are like, who the fuck is XQC?
Don't worry about it.
Want to see my slime? Guys, I have slime. This one makes really nice noises. No, stop, focus. Basically, for the contour look, you really want to find a cool tone contour, and you want to make sure that it's like really heavily contoured. You want your cheeks and your face to be sculpted, okay? This is 90s vibe. And surprisingly enough, it's really difficult to find a contour that's cool toned, considering that contours are meant to be cool toned because they're meant to create shadow on your faces. And I know this because I did an entire presentation on it in French. Yes, I did. Les maquillages. Okay, no, we're not gonna do that. This is like what I think. I don't know, my opinion. I think because it's kind of really easy to fuck up cool toned contours, and it's really easy to make them look super muddy and gross, that most companies make them warm toned. And even if you try to put like contour on nowadays with those products and they're more warm toned, even if you don't blend it out fully, it's gonna look like a bronzer and it'll still look good. If you want more of that ashy gray color to really fit that like cool toned 90s corporate core kind of aesthetic, then you want to hit up the Fenty Beauty matchsticks. They have an amazing array of shades. A lot of them are warm tone, but a few of them have that beautiful stone gray color. That's exactly what you need, especially if you're paler skin. If you have darker skin like me, you want a dark brown that's leaning to more like a neutral undertone to like a grayish undertone. If you're not into that, I think the other one I found is the classic Kat Von D. Oh, I guess it's not Kat Von D anymore. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure she got canceled. I don't really know why. It's none of my fucking business. But I think it's called KVD now, KVD Beauty. And they have their classic Shade and Light palette, which I will show you. This palette is a classic for a reason. It's tried and true. It will sculpt you to the base. So the Office Siren skin, she is natural. Not too matte, not too dewy, just kind of perfect. Her skin is flawless. It's really fucking annoying. Essentially, there's so many ways to recreate this look. I'm not gonna go through all of them because I don't have the attention span to do that, okay? I don't, sorry. The first way is just by using a really natural foundation. And so what I would recommend is the Chantecaille foundation. This Forever Skin foundation in this pot, which, let me pull it out, hold on. So this is the Chantecaille, or this is the Chantecaille Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation in the shade Suntan. I've also talked my shit about this too. I've talked my shit and yet the freaking thing is empty for a reason. This is the most skin-like foundation I have ever tried in my entire life. Nothing compares to this. Like literally, I bought it because they use it on the set of Euphoria for a reason. This looks like skin to the point where it was like I was putting on other like pieces of makeup and it felt weird. You know when you try to like contour your bare face and you try to like put eyeshadow on your bare face? It don't look right. That's kind of this. So like when you're wearing this, you really have to go light on those other things because it's not going to look imbalanced. This is really truly the foundation to do with the eye look that's like bare eyes with a Kohl liner and that like nude lip type of a look. Y'all know I'm all about that. I love like natural looking skin. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my makeup bag has always usually consisted of like natural makeup. Way before I feel like the whole kind of like TikTok craze with the soap brow thing came on. Like I was into that years ago and I'm still into it even now, which is why I have migrated into Korean beauty, which if you want, I can definitely do a video talking about some of my like Korean beauty products that I would use for this look as well if you're into K-beauty and you only want to purchase that, because I personally really like K-beauty and there are some really good options for this, just not really for base because just to let you know, you guys, I am not coming at you with just like some random stuff. I hunted, I researched, I went through TikTok, okay? I was searching on subreddits, okay? I was on the Sephora community. I was hunting for these shades and for these brands for you. So I really hope you're enjoying it. And if you are, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I really don't. It took me like 4 years to get to 2,000, so. I thank you so much for watching today's video. We'll see you in my next video whenever that video is hitting. It'll be next week. It's been solid.